funny sound poem. Hippo, a hut so small, wearing a hat standing tall. Harry Hen said, "Oh, how neat! I need a hat to beat the heat." Holly Hamster giggled and said, "Let's eat honey cake instead. Wear a helmet, ride around, and laugh until we hit the ground." Sound story. Name of the story: Harry Hen and the Hippo with a Hat. Hey kids, today we have a super funny and giggly story for you, full of hats, hen, and a happy hippo. So get ready to laugh. Once, Harry Hen was a playful little hen who loved running around in her green hut. She loved playing in the sunshine, but there was a problem. Her head would get too hot. Harry, "Oh no, I need a big hat to protect me from the sun." Her best friend, Holly Hamster, came bouncing along. Holly, "Harry, I heard there's a giant hippopotamus in the jungle and he has the funniest, biggest hat ever." Harry, "Oh wow, I need that hat. Let's go." So off they went. On their way, as they walked, they passed a hunter sitting outside his little hut, eating sweet honey from a jar. Hunter, "Where are you going in such a hurry?" Holly, "We are going to find a hat." Hunter, "Oh, okay, but be careful. The scary, horrible horse lives in the jungle." Harry, "Horrible horse?" But they were brave and kept going. Deep in the jungle, they found a big house with a sign that said, "Hippo's Helmet and Hat Store." Harry, "This must be it." They stepped inside and saw a huge hippopotamus wearing a bright red, funny looking hat. Hippo, "Hello there. What brings you here?" Harry, "I need a hat to protect me from the sun." Hippo, "Oh, then you take this one." The hippo handed Harry a big colorful hat. But as soon as she put it on, whoosh! A gust of wind blew the hat off her head and it landed right on Holly Hamster's head instead. Holly, "Hey, now I look stylish too." All three of them burst into laughter and celebrated by eating a delicious honey cake together. Harry was now super happy. She had a big hat, great friends, and a belly full of honey cake. Before you go, we have some sound words to revisit. Hut, hat, hen, happy, hunter, someone who hunts animals, hamster, a small furry pet, horse, home, helmet. Kids, having fun with friends is the best happiness. If you enjoyed this funny story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.